Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and in this Laravel 8 video tutorial we will learn about the routing. So these are the points of the video. We will see what is the routing, how we can make it, how we can pass the data with the routing, anchor tag and redirection. And at the last I will ask you a very important interview question about the routing, right? You can attempt the answer of this question in the comment box, and if you don't want to attempt then that's okay. You just need to know the answer of it. If you know, that's great. If you don't know, then you can just google it or ask me in the comment box. I will just provide the answer after 1 or 2 days just publishing this video, right? So now the first question is, what is routing? If we are just talking about in normal words, that routing simply means mapping our Laravel page with a specific URL, right? So for example, I just want to open my document page on this documentation link. That means this is a routing, right? And I have a about us page and I want to open this about page on a about link. This is again a routing, right? So these are the theoretical part, but now I will show you that how we can make the routing and all. So now just move on that next part, that how we can make the routing. Yes, I will show you the single by default routing which is already provided by the Laravel about this page. This is a home routing mapped with the welcome page. I will show you where this is exists. So you can see that we have a page welcome.blade.php. Here you can see that this is some code. Laravel was wonderful and throw and all kind of things, and this is mentioned here. So this is the page which is coming from the welcome.blade.php, and this is mapped with the just open the web.php, and here you can see that on the root path. So this is a by default routing which is provided by the Laravel. So how we can, as I told you that there is a two thing in every routing. One is a URL, another is a page. So welcome is a page. Here you can see that welcome.blade.php is a page, and route, the home which is the root routing. This is a root URL, is our URL here, right? So let's take another one example. So just make a URL home and page will be the same here, right? So now let's open it the home. It will just give you the 404 error like this. And if you just want to open the home, then you can see that. So we just create a routing for welcome page on the home URL, right? So this is basically a by default routing. So now let's make some more routing here, how we can make it. So I'm just going to just remove it, right? I'm just going to make a two files. One is let's say about dot blade.php, and another one is contact dot blade.php. Here might be you are confused with the two things. One is what is the views folder here, and second one is what is the blade here, right? So you can understand this is our page name and PHP is the PHP extension because Laravel is running on the PHP. But what is the blade? So see, this is a blade templating engine provided by the Laravel. And why we use it? Because it provides the many functionality over, like we don't need to use the PHP tags directly. We can use the double curly braces, and some loops and some events are easily handled with blade template, right? So I will make a separate video on this blade template just after 2 or 3 videos. So you will just get all the details about the blade in that video. Second thing is views. So probably you just listen that the Laravel is a MVC framework, right? So view is directly related to the V. You can just see here, V means view. So what we are viewing here. So here for example you can see that the all HTML is presented here. We are actually watching here, right? So that's why this is a view part. The all HTML that we can view is present in the views folder, right? So if you just want to take another example, then we will just write some here and we can view this data on here, right? All those MVC will completely take another video. So in that video I will tell you that what is the MVC. Then in the upcoming video I will make a video on the what is views, what is the controller, and what is the model also, right? So for a moment let's focus on the routing. So we just created a about.blade.php. So let's make a small text here like about, like this. So I just want to see this page on my browser, that how can I see that. So our page is ready. Now we need to make a URL for making a complete routing, right? So you can just simply write here route get, and then put a route like about, then you can put here function like this, and just return view, and view name. What is our view name? About. Here you can see that you don't need to mention blade.php, just put here blade about, right? And Laravel smart enough to understand it. And now let's just, you can see that this page is still working fine because we have two routing now. And on about, okay, what mistake I made here, let me check. Okay, there is no mistake. I just refresh it and this is working fine. So sometimes it's happened with the caches, right? So this page is already. Now you can see that. So even you can use here a small syntax for that. And what is the small syntax? Route short syntax, you also call it. View, then just use here about, and in the second parameter let's put our page name. So first one is URL, second one is our page name, and this is still working fine, right? So now let's make one more example. So I'm just going to make here okay, we already made here contact.blade.php, and let's put here h1 tag, and just write here contact page, right? And let's define a route for this one also. Let's copy the previous one and just write here contact. Okay, so let's open the contact one also, and never be confused that should we provide the same thing in a both parameter. You can put here XYZ even, right? And if you just open the XYZ, and it will open the page that you mention in the second parameter, that means contact.blade.php. That's great. All right, so we just get to know about that. So now how we can pass the data with the routing. So here you can see that in our example on a sliders, some data like deck and edit and Anil Sidhu is passed here. Like, so I just want to pass some data from URL to here. So for example, I just want to mention here Anil Sidhu and want to get it on the our pages. So how we can do it? For that, you just mention here the second parameter that we have just some dynamic data. So just simply put here like name, right? And let's get it in the parameter like $name and make it echo $name. And now you can see that we are able to get the Anil Sidhu. Even you can put here anything like Anil, Peter, whatever you want, right? So how we can pass this data from here to in welcome.blade.php, because we are just echoing here, but maybe we need it inside the blade.php, right? So for that you need to just pass here the second parameter as an array, and here just use your second parameter like name, and just put here $name. You can put any name to this key. It's not required that you need to just put here name. You can put here username, and first name, last name, whatever you want, right? And just get back here, and on any place let's just put here h1 tag, and just simply put here $name, and here you can see that we able to get it here. So that's great. We get to know about that also. So now what is the anchor tag? So here you can see that the documentation, Laravel news are the anchor tags. So now let's make it these tag on our page also. Even I am not going to focus on the style, so maybe my anchor tag are little bit ugly, right? So please sorry about that, because this video is not about the style, this is about the routing. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to remove the all stuff from here, right? And just make h1 tag and put here welcome page kind of thing, and just remove this dynamic stuff for a moment, right? Let's just go with the default thing, and now you can see that we got welcome page like this. So now let's make some anchor tag here. Just make here a and put here about, and this text will be shown on the page, right? Just use a br for the next line, and let's put here contact and page name, and again you can see that. So even you can just write here about us. You can put any text which is not related to directly here, and you can use here slash if you want, contact us, right? So let's click on about. Our about page is working fine, contact page is not working fine. Let me check why this is not working fine, because we just put here XYZ. So just put here contact, right? And now everything is working fine. So at the last thing, we just learned everything. So last thing, and then I will ask you about the intro question. Redirection. Sometimes you don't want that show some specific page and you want to redirect on the another page. So for example, you don't want to show the welcome page, you just want to redirect the user to the directly on the about us page. Then how you can do it? For simply that, just remove this page from here and just write here redirect, and just simply put here about, right? And you can just simply return here if you want, like this, right? And now let's try to open our home page. You are not able to do it because it will directly redirect it to the about page. Here you can see that, right? So that we achieved also. So now let's come on the interview question. So in the routes folder there is a one file which is web.php worked here, right? So one more file which is very similar, api.php, and here you can see that this is also right for the API route and all something. So why we use this file, or what is the use of this file? If you know, then you can just comment it. If you don't know, then Google it, search it, what is that. Most of the in the interview questions they ask that what is the api.php. So bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.